better shut up, like right now. Like right now. I know. Okay, it's finally happening. I'm doing this. What you're watching right now, it's happening. It's gonna happen. And I'm doing it right now. I did a really colorful eye makeup look on Instagram, and everybody, all the locals, was eating that shit up, okay? Yeah, they loved it, and they wanted a tutorial. Y'all wanted a tutorial, so here's a tutorial. I'm probably gonna do like my brows off camera and stuff, and just focus on showing you how I did the eyeshadow, because that's probably what you guys want the most. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be right back. So I lied. I was gonna record a video that day when I was wearing a tank top, remember? And then, you know, plans came up and I ended up, you know, not recording that video. So now I'm officially sitting down and I'm gonna record this shit for you. I already did my brows. I'm ready to go with this motherfucking tutorial and all this shit. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with this NARS concealer in the color Custard. I don't really use this under the eyes, only as a base, mainly because I don't know, this concealer, it's a good concealer, but this shade in particular just doesn't really look good as like my under eye highlight shade, so I just don't use it for there. But it makes a really good base for your eyeshadow. I'm gonna blend it out with this concealer brush. So for the eye look that I did, that you guys saw on my Instagram story, I only used this Ultimate NYX palette. It has these colors. Actually, I lied. I probably didn't only use this. I think, if I remember, I probably used this Profusion Shimmers palette, which I love, which I motherfucking love. I think I used this gold shade as well. So I used those two palettes. Super affordable. I mean, NYX, technically it's an affordable palette, but it was still like $18, I think, 19, I don't know, I forgot. But I'm gonna try and remember how I did this last time. Oh my god, okay, yeah, I did that, sis. So I'm just going to get this brush. Holy shit. So for the first step, I'm going to take this brush, and there's a hair on it, alright, cool. Put it right in this pink shade right here. So if I recall, I just patted. So the reason why I'm doing my eyeshadow first is because there's a lot of padding of the colors onto the lid, which can cause maybe some fallout stuff happening. It doesn't have to be neat right now, because we're all just gonna blend it together in the end. It's just all gonna come together. As of right now, we're just packing on the pigment until she's super pigmented. So with the same brush, I'm going to take this purple shade and apply it right on top of the pink shade and blend it together. And okay, maybe I didn't use this brush the first time. Maybe, yeah, I did not use that brush because that's too complicated. So I'm going to take this smaller brush, and I'm just going to pat it. Oh my god, is this what I did? Wait, oh my god, I started off with the purple first, and not the pink. That's why I'm all fucked up in the... Did y'all think this was going to be a good video? We're just going to redo that. See, this is why you start with eyeshadow first, guys. Back to square one. So, you know, we blend it all, yada, 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 yada. The base is blended out, okay? I got the purple shade first. The purple shade first, okay? And I pat that all over the lid crease area. Okay, bitch, I got it in the bag now. I remember. Like, I honestly apologize. I really hope this is going to be helpful, because if it's not, I'm just going to quit YouTube. Like, what's the point if I'm not even being helpful? So now, I take this smaller brush, and I'm going to put it into this hot pink shade. Dipping that in. I'm going to take the pink shade, and I'm going to place it on top of that purple shade. And And again, patting motions just to get that pigment, blending that up to the brow bone. I think I blended these two shades together. I put that right over top. Oh, hold on. That did not end up being the color I wanted it to be. Okay, yeah, okay, I take back what I said. Don't mix it. Don't mix it. Don't even listen to me anymore. I'm not a credible reference at this point. I only take this shade. I only dip into that one, okay? Just put it right over top of that pink to really give it that nice transition. Honestly, I don't know how it looks on camera, but to me, this looks blended enough. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a Q-tip. Do I have no more Q? Oh my god, I have like 3 more Q-tips left. And I'm going to get a makeup remover and wipe off the excess purple on my eyelids. Okay, that's good enough. So I'm going to take the NARS concealer again and I'm going to cut the crease. And I'll show you guys how I do that. What I do is I put it all over, like just a little bit, right here. And then what I do is I look up and it creates that line for me, and that's kind of going to be my guide as to where I want it, the cut crease to end. Now I'm going to set it with translucent powder. So now what I do is I go back in with this purpley shade again. I just pat it on the outer corner of my eye. Oh my gosh, do you see this? It's already coming together. Oh my god, I knew it. I think, I'm not so sure, I mixed these two blues together. Yeah, I think that's what I did. I place it and just blend that in. And I'm blending it with the purple shade to create a seamless blend. And that is looking a little bit patchy, not gonna lie. With this brush, I'm going to take this minty, like Tiffany blue shade and put that next to this blue. Oh, this patchy mess. Why is it coming on patchy? It wasn't doing this before. But now it is. That just came out super patchy, and I don't know why. Wow, this is getting really patchy. I think what is happening is I set my concealer with translucent powder instead of actual eyeshadow powder, and I think that is what's happening right now. Like, I think that's why this is becoming a patchy disaster. Oh my god, really? The day I decide to record, y'all want to do this to me? How about we not? I can never, like, record a decent YouTube video for you guys. Like, this is actually so sad. This is fixable, though. This is fixable. This is definitely fixable. Oh god. It's this eye that's, like, really being stupid and, like, patchy and gross. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Stop it! I just want to know what is I just want to know what's happening. You guys, do you see this mess? What do I do? This is so ugly. I'm starting over, bitches. This ain't it. This ain't it. I don't even have enough Q-tips to erase all of this. You can do this, Shamara, okay? You were made to do this.
I'm just gonna speed through this part because we've been through this before. Basically, all I do was put the purple shade all over the outer corners and just, you know, pack that color on.
Now taking the blue shade again, and I'm telling you, this time around, it's gonna be better. Oh my gosh, already so much better. Patchiness who? We don't know her. We don't claim her. Okay, actually, it's still turning out a little bit patchy. Oh, okay. That looks so much better. So now I'm going to take this Tiffany color again because I think it's going to apply way better this time around. And then put it right next to the blue shade. And I am patting that into the blue shade. I'm going to go back into that purple shade because I feel like we lost some of it trying to blend in that blue. Yes, coming together. Wow, okay. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do is get this yellow shade and I'm gonna put it on the inner corner of my eye. We're almost done. Now taking this gold shimmer shade, I'm going to put it on top of that yellow just to make this pop a little bit more. Alright, so I applied lashes, put on foundation, concealed and all that, and now I'm setting my face. So while I do that, while I'm waiting for it to bake and stuff, I'm going to apply eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and I'm going to show you guys what colors and that I use. So I use this really small pencil brush. So I start off with the purple shade first, and I apply that on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take off the baking powder. So this is the finished makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, I know it's not what you expected, but you know, this is actually harder than I thought it was gonna be. And yeah, if you liked it, leave a thumbs up, I guess. Maybe comment if you wanted to. Please leave positive comments because I'm sensitive and I might cry if you tell me I'm annoying. Even though I know I'm annoying. But you know, just keep that to yourself for now, because I will cry.